Today, we will focus on vibrational energy. This video will be heavy on science, but I believe this may resonate with people who are more grounded in logical aspects of their spiritual awakening. This is an exciting time in human history. With the emergence of the internet, there has been a concerted effort to bridge the divide between the scientific and spiritual communities regarding the nature of the universe. Both communities are trying to discover and explain the world in which we live. I believe both communities have a lot to offer in this ongoing discovery. The spiritual community has been speaking to vibrational energy for centuries. In the 19th century, leaders of the New Thought movement such as Trine and Atkinson spoke about vibrational energy and its role in healing and manifestation. On the scientific side, none other than Albert Einstein stated, quote, "Everything is energy and that is all there is to it," end quote. There is energy holding the particles of the atom together. The space between the atoms that make up all matter is occupied by energy. Even the atomic particles themselves are energy. And this energy vibrates, because nothing in the universe sits idle. Everything moves. We also have an electromagnetic energy field generated by the movement of blood throughout the body. Like how the Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of magma in the Earth's core. Energy is everywhere, but visible light is the only portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that humans can see. This is good, because if we were to see every stream of energy from everyone's TV, smartphone, and computer, we would not be able to navigate ourselves to the fridge, let alone chase down prey for dinner. As stated, the spiritual and scientific community are in alignment here. There is no need to finesse the information. There are links in the description that offer further reading on the energetic principles discussed in this video. So, how do humans fit into this energetic world? Well, humans are special in the universe, because we can control our vibrational frequency with our thoughts, intentions, and emotions via our conscious mind. My goal in creating this channel is to awaken people's consciousness, so beings can manifest the reality they really want. The conscious mind is the key. Now on to frequencies. High frequencies are aligned with manifesting desires. Low frequencies are aligned with fears and missed opportunities. High and low are not necessarily good or bad, it's just that you will get the reality in which you vibrate. Think of changing your vibrational frequency like tuning into a radio station. Funny that this analogy is used because it is exactly what you are doing. You are setting your frequency to the reality or station you want. Let's associate the radio station of smooth jazz with abundance. You want smooth jazz, but you are currently vibrating hard rock. Let's associate hard rock with laziness and complacency. You will attract situations, people, and places which align with your vibration of hard rock, or rather inaction and complacency. Remember this equation: thoughts, intentions, and emotions equals your vibrational frequency. Therefore, self-reflection is needed to be sure we are vibrating at the frequency we want. We must check in with ourselves from time to time to take stock of our desires and fears to be sure we are vibrating at the frequency of the station we want. Some people do this via meditation. Others just flat out talk to themselves. Whatever method you choose is fine, as you are starting down the path of conscious self-reflection. Self-reflection is the first step to awakening your consciousness. We will discuss awakening our consciousness in the next video, but for now, comment in the section below associating a life goal with a radio station. Try picturing yourself changing your thoughts, intentions, and emotions like changing a radio station to the reality you want. Until next time.